Hey guys, I'm Nishith and today we're gonna learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. But in this video, it's only the basics on the first layer. Okay, let's start by shuffling the cube. Okay. Let's do the white cross. It's basically not a cross but a plus symbol, but they call it the cross. Okay, so let's start with the basics. So this center is called a centerpiece, and these are the edges. This is the corner. Okay, so in order to do the white cross, we have to get the edges matched with the respective centers. So, okay, I usually solve the cross like this, but for beginners, they do it like this. So, let's get this piece to the top and one part of the cross and then match it to the center. So, where is the yellow's orange center? And we got it matched. And next, the white and blue, where is it? It's right over there. This is the white and blue and our piece is over here. What we need to do is solve another one. So this is an easy one. And then this is the white and green edge, and it has to come over here. Layers in the top, pieces in the top layer are very easy to solve. So let's start. Just match it to the center, just like that, and 2 times down. So solved. And next, the red and white. Oh, this thing's flipped. So just get rid of it. And the same thing, match it down. And the last. Okay, so this thing has to come here. What we need to do is take it out, and this piece cannot be inserted in one move. So move the face to the right. Bring this down and done. We have the whole cross solved. And luckily we also got the corner solved. And by the way, let's continue. And this is the white, green and orange corner, and this has to come here. When the white's facing you, just push it to the side. Side, bring this up, this layer up, to the right, down. I'll show you again. To the left, up, right, down. One last time. Left, up, right, down. Nice. This thing's flipped. Just bring it up. And this thing's facing to the right. So what we need to do is simple. Bring this right layer up, and then you can match it up and down. Up, left, down. Up, left, down. Okay, and this thing. Oh, this thing's flipped. Just bring it to the top. This is the same case. And there is another case that we need to talk about, and when it's facing up, what you need to do is up. If it's somewhere else, bring it to the top. Bring it in front of you, and up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. I'll show it again. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. One last time. up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. And we solved the first layer and the cross. Okay, yeah, hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe.